Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Ignore the winds and ignore all the dark clouds. Today I am gonna be going to Chicago, so I'm gonna be vlogging today, but I wanted to welcome you guys to my channel and give you an official intro. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to more videos, and I will see you all in Chicago. So I have to do a couple of things before I head, but I'm very excited. My aunt is on her way to pick me up. This sun is making me feel good. I obviously got a couple things to do, so I have to keep moving. I have to keep going, make sure I check everything before I head out. But yes, very excited for this journey of mine today, because I feel like every time I film I am half prepared, so hopefully today I'm prepared. So guys, I'm here, but my job is just me taking out trash and like making sure all the lobbies are clean and stuff like that, because like I be telling you guys, students in the States don't be working like the way you'll be thinking we be working. I can work anything basically, but some jobs are more flexible than others. So the one that I do, because I love cleaning, and the one that I do is like very flexible, so that's why I love it. So I just got done cleaning and I am gonna go home and wash this thing, because I think I'm gonna wear that because I think it looks cute. But I will see you guys later. Bye. I look like a nun, but it's okay. Say hi. You're not saying hi.
Hi. Let's do
I love you, little dance.
that's my water bottle.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
How pretty this city is.
I know.
I love it.
I will stay with you, my God. I will stay with you. You will be with me where I go. You will be with me where I go. You will be with me where I go. Be the light. Let's do the walkway and then we do something else.
AMPH, so like
Amp.
or amp.
Ah, that's so cool. Look at that. I'm here to get my visa to go to Hungary. So my appointment is at 2 and right now it's 12. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So these are my shoes. Chicago literally be giving you good vibes. That's it. That's on per. Like if it's giving you this very rich vibes, you know you're poor, but you're gonna act rich. Oh wait, here is my fit for the day. I'm gonna show you where I am. So this is a theater. It's an outdoor theater, so you can go all the way to here. Last time they were doing stuff here, so my aunt and I came and we sat right there. So you can come outside and watch things. Usually they shouldn't really charge you because it's more like for the local people and stuff, But if they charge you, then I guess you're a sucker, but oh well. Yeah, and then the grass is where people would sit, those that have come late. And if they charge you, the VIPs are these seats right here. And then the grass is for those that have not either paid or have paid, but they have seats that are a bit far. So guys, I'm walking in Chicago by myself. I'm so proud. I absolutely have no person walking with me. I'm kidding. This is my aunt. Aunt, what's your name? No,
What's my name?
yes, what's your name?
Leslie.
Leslie who?
Ringer.
Ringer who?
The great.
Okay.
The beautiful.
Okay.
The lovely.
Oh, okay.
And the rich.
Now-
Because we're in Chicago and that's what we pretend. that
honestly
we're in
though,
Chicago.
we always Chicago. You just have to go. Hello. How are you? Wait, talk a little bit louder. A little bit louder. Pickles. I was like, maybe that's not how you use them, but
For little kids, they have a little boat they can swing on.
they said only 2 on the nest.
Yes.
I don't think I can move. I can't even move myself. What is happening? How are you moving?
I'm strong.
I'm strong too.
When I sat in it, I used momentum to get started right away.
Ah, help me. Still young at heart, you know. This adulthood life. Wanting to be a little kid as old as I am. What? Yo, this is so much fun. Let's just chillax. Let's just chillax right here. Enjoy life as it comes. I think you're a bit too old for this.
This is the life.
I want something juicy. I want something
Or
camo
pina
camo, pina
colada.
pina. Yes. Look at this little birdie came to say hi. What? You guys are not afraid of people here, huh? Another little birdie.
Attack us.
Oh, this is so
They
cute.
look cute until they start picking on your eyes.
They what? That just makes me dizzy.
I got it right over there.
Look at the lights, you know, it's so cool. Oh. So cool. With the lights. and everything. Me love it. It's very nice. Thank you.
Good.
Now we go ahead and have more fun freely. The way we behave when we're inside. What are you doing?
Just gonna be stuck in here.
I hope not. I feel a bit dead. We're here, we got the visa, I think.
We have to wait for it to come in the mail.
Yeah, but we're very hopeful. She was very nice, actually. Very, very nice lady. We are gonna see a very lovely building. I don't know what's the building name.
It's RH.
RH is the building. So the building we're gonna see has like designs for houses. So like how you design your house. Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah. How you can design your house, like your bedrooms, your kids' bedrooms. It's very cute actually. It's very fancy, very high end. So we just go there to see the place. We don't buy nothing. But I love it because I love houses and stuff, and I think it's very lovely to look at. So that's where we're going, and then we're gonna go home. Oh wait, no, we're gonna go eat something and then go home, and we're gonna be done. Wait. Yeah, come on, it's a goal. Guys, so right now I'm doing a little real estate shenanigan. So we're gonna go inside so y'all can see. These are a couple ideas of how you can design your house and stuff. So you know, if you want like that natural vibe, which is what I always go for, you can just do this. Like it gives you the bougie vibe, but it's also natural. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I love this place because I have so many ideas for what I want my home to be like, but it's expensive. But you gotta come and look at how they decorate them, so you get a little bit inspired. You never know. But yeah, this is a very nice place. So cool and bougie at the same time. I'm very embarrassed. I don't know her. No, we're not together. Look at this. So cool. Imagine if this was your bedroom. You wouldn't even know what to do with it. What would you do? This is our home. We love it. You feel very at peace with yourself? So you can hang all your stuff. These are just different designs where you can hang your towels, your face cloth, your whatever, stuff like that. in here. Very cool. Remember this? So cool. But this is the thing that I was asking you about. Yeah, even this. Imagine your kids. This is like a kid's room. Which kid has this kind of life? What kid? This life that we're living. I mean, anybody who wants babies, these are some ideas. Now that crown is ugly, like we said last time. Little baby crib, little horsey. The crown always ugly.
Yeah, it reminds me of camping, and it has lights under here. It's so cute.
It's well done. Like, what kid is gonna have this life? The rich kids, obviously. Oh wait, the mirror as per usual. it's you and the backpack. I can't. We are very much so young at heart. Okay. Nothing can stop us. We're all the way up.
Nothing can stop us.
My song wasn't going like that. Which kid has this kind of life? Uh-oh.
Rut to the row.
We head back. Back we go. We are done with our trip. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Me too. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
You should thank me for bringing you.
Thank you for bringing me. Thank you for forcing me to come.
You are most welcome. I worked so hard for this. Oh man, what a good trip. And we will come back home. And we will come back home. Home again. Guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. And I hope to see you in another vlog. Thank you for coming with me to Chicago. Bye.